Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a happy birthday pop-up card.
Yeah, a really funny one. For this lesson, we're using a bunch of art supplies. We're using tape, also,
Scissors?
yeah, and we have a bunch of paper. We have a half sheet of paper already cut, then we have a full-size paper and also construction paper for the back of the card. We have red, but you could use any color. And then we also have our drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you could use anything like crayons or colored pencils. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first move some of the supplies off to the side. We can take the scissors and tape, and also we only need the half sheet. I'm gonna keep the construction paper just to protect our table. We're first gonna draw our cake, and we're using our pink marker, but you could use a pink crayon or a pink colored pencil, or just regular pencil too if you want. We're gonna draw a rectangle shape right in the middle of our paper, and we wanna leave room on the sides so that we can draw the arms sticking out. We're gonna draw a short line coming down, and then a long line coming across the bottom. Then we're gonna draw the top of our cake coming over and down. And then we can draw the top of the cake, the frosting. I'm gonna draw a wiggly line, and you can draw the wiggles different. They don't have to be the same. Then let's draw or color in the frosting. Next, let's switch to a different color and add some of the candles. I'm gonna draw a green candle over here. You could add as many candles as you want. I'm gonna draw 2 with that color. Then I'm gonna switch to this darker color, and I'm gonna add, where it's kind of a red color, I'm gonna add a candle right here. Oh, and I'm gonna add an orange candle right here. You could change the colors. They don't have to be the same as us. Yeah. Okay, next let's switch. And anytime if we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need to. Let's switch to our yellow marker, and I'm gonna draw the fire. I'm gonna draw a raindrop shape above each candle. Just draw a little fire or a little flame on top of each candle. Then you can also switch to your orange, and we could outline the fire. That's kind of fun.
Yeah, super fun.
Now we kind of finished our cake, except we need to add a few other funny things. Let's give our cake shoes. I'm gonna use this, it's kind of a dark red. I'm gonna draw an oval shape down here at the bottom for one shoe. And I'm gonna draw another oval next to it over here. I know they're floating, but we're gonna switch to our black marker in a second. Actually, let's do it right now. We got floating shoes. Okay, let's draw the legs. I'm gonna draw one coming down and connecting to each shoe. I'm gonna make the legs a little bit thicker too. I'm gonna add another line next to it. Okay, let's trace around our cake, our birthday cake. Let's start over here, and I'm gonna draw the frosting coming out, and then we can draw a line coming down to finish the side of the cake. Then we can also connect the bottom all the way over and the top. And we can also add a wick on each candle. Oh, and let's trace around the candles too. What else do we need to add?
A funny face.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna draw a really crazy face. I'm gonna draw a shape like that. Kind of looks like a backwards letter J. Then we can add teeth on top, and I'm gonna add teeth on the bottom. And then we can draw the back of the mouth and color it in. You can change the mouth. It doesn't have to look like ours. And then let's draw eyes, big eyes. We're going to draw 2 circles. And then we can draw the smaller circle in the top left to make the eyes shiny, little highlights. And we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Oh, and also let's trace over the frosting. And I know we're going kind of fast because we're just repeating the same steps that we've already drawn. Oh, I like that. It looks really cute. Except we're missing something.
Arms.
Yeah, arms. We're gonna stretch them out. Kind of looks like our cake is gonna give us a big hug. Then at the end, let's draw the hand. I'm gonna draw a circle and color it in first. I'm gonna also make my arms thicker. I'm gonna draw another line next to it so it matches the legs. Then we can draw a thumb sticking up and then 3 fingers out to the side. Oh, let's come down here. I forgot the shoes. I'm gonna trace over but go past so that the bottom of the shoe is white. We can draw past the bottom on both sides and then connect. All right, now we're ready to cut out our cake. We're gonna use our scissors and I'm gonna bubble cut so we leave a little extra white around the whole entire thing. And this part will also fast forward, so remember to pause the video and you can cut out your cake too. Okay, we got it all colored out. Now let's put our cake off to this side. And we're gonna switch to our construction paper and also the full sheet of paper. And let's fold these, we'll line it up, and then we're gonna fold them in half together. You can take the bottom edge, line it up, and then crease it down. Now this part you could use glue. We wanna glue this into the inside, and we have double stick tape, so we're gonna use that instead. But our friends, you guys can use glue or just regular tape if you want to. Now I'm gonna put a piece on the top and the bottom, and then we can fold it back and it should stay shut. Do you wanna do that too? And then we can flip it over on this side and then repeat. We can take the tape and put it up there at the top and the bottom, or just glue the whole thing down. And then you can close this back up and press it down, and then it should be stuck inside. That's a really nice looking card.
Yeah, it is.
But just by itself. Okay, now we're gonna take our little cake, our funny cake guy, and we're gonna fold him in half. So we're gonna take him like this and fold him right down the middle and crease it down. And then we can also take his arms and we're gonna fold them forward on both sides. Yeah. So you could grab his arms and you can open them up like this. Now we can lay them inside of our card, and we can use the regular tape for this, or you could just glue them if you want. You can glue his arms down. I'm gonna just tape them like this. And we'll just tape one side down, and then we're gonna tape the other side down. Press it down like that. There we go. And then when we close them up, he's stuck inside.
Oh, that's so cute.
All right, you wanna tape yours down?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna untape this hand, and I'm just gonna spread him out just a little bit more so he's kind of stretched out. And we're gonna stretch him out just a little bit. There we go. And then I might stretch out the other side too. There, I want him about that much stretched out. And then when we close it, we're gonna close it like this on him, flatten him out, You can also decorate the outside. You could say happy birthday, and then on the inside, you say, I need a big hug.
Yeah, you could really spend a lot of time adding a message or decorating the outside,
Yeah, you could add balloons or confetti.
or people ready to eat the cake.
Yeah,
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a happy birthday card with us.
we do. And we hope you take extra time to add more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.